and welcome to this video on learning personas. This is an important and perhaps undervalued topic in the world of learning and development. In this video, we'll be exploring what learner personas are and how they can be used and why they matter. Ready? Let's get started. Okay, so what are learning personas? Personas are a fictional representation of a particular type of person. They're used in marketing, design, and other fields. They're based on audience research and data. So each persona represents characteristics and the needs of that target group. With that definition in mind, you may already be able to guess what a learning persona is. Learning personas are a specific type of persona that represents a particular type of learner, and they're used in the world of education and training to help create better learning experiences. So what's the importance of a learner persona? So let's dig in a little further. How exactly do learning personas help educators and trainers to up their game and make things more exciting? Well, imagine if you had a clear and codified understanding of your audience characteristics, your audience needs, your audience goals and their motivation. You could then ensure that your content and overall learning strategy was more relevant, more exciting, more effective, and overall more engaging. You can create something that's really tailored to your individual personas and audience. They'll also help you make more human-centric design decisions, driven by a really deep understanding and empathy and deep consideration for that persona. And as a result, you're able to better refine the instructional strategies to ensure that they are absolutely relevant for your learners. For instance, you may consider adjusting your approach to gamification, social learning, instructional design in order to target the audience more effectively. And finally, understanding your learners may help you to set more realistic and achievable goals for your learning program. So, in summary, there you have it. Learner personas are a fictional representation of your audience that will help you make your learning interventions more targeted, more meaningful, and a higher impact. Just imagine what you could achieve by really understanding your audience better.